So today's topic was a little new, so I wanted to make sure I did make a video on it. I'm not going to do all of the questions, so you're going to notice that I did skip problems 1 through 4 completely. 1 and 2 are just your exponent rules, and then 3 and 4 are the ones kind of like we've had on our mini quizzes the last couple of days. Okay, so I am going to work through number 5. Okay, so the first thing you would do on number 5 is you would simplify the x to the 10th divided by x to the 3rd, and that would give you x to the 7th. And then they're raising that to the m power. And right here, we know that we multiply power to a power. So 7m would equal 56. So m would equal 8. All right, now number 6, if x squared plus hx plus 49 equals x plus 7 squared, what's the value of h? Well, we're going to focus on what we do know. We know what to do here. That's to write it twice and multiply it out. And that gives you x squared plus 14x plus 49. So what they're saying here is x squared plus hx plus 49 equals x squared plus 14x plus 49. So you're going to notice the x squares are the same. The 49s are the same. They're asking you what goes right here in front of x. So our h is 14. Okay, likewise here, you're going to start with x minus 3 times x minus 3. Which gives us this. And then this time they're asking for your c. So now they're equal. Which number corresponds to c? All right, number 8 through, I believe, the end of this, 8 through 14, that's kind of the new stuff that we did in our notes today. All right, so looking at this one, you can already tell me that the y-intercept is negative 20. So b is the y-intercept. So b is negative 20. And a is the x-intercept. Remember, to get the x-intercept, you plug in 0 for y. So the x-intercept was going to be 4. And they wanted to know what is a minus b. So 4 minus negative 20 is going to give me an answer of 24. Okay, same thing here. The y-intercept's easy, and that's our b. It's going to be 6. Our a, you plug in 0 for y. So x equals 2. So our a is 2, and this time they want product. Remember, product does mean to multiply, so it's going to be 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay, and now we go to our parallel perpendicular problems. Those are the last few that we did in class in your notes. And they seem to be a little bit more difficult for you than the previous ones I just did. So we're going to talk about what we know. Okay, the first thing is it's already in slope-intercept form. So right now our slope is negative 2. Perpendicular means we flip it. So the perpendicular slope, we're going to flip it and change its sign. So our perpendicular slope is 1/2. So in y equals mx plus b, our m is now going to be 1/2. We're looking for b because they're asking you what is the value of b. We can get our x and our y from our point. So x is 2 and y is negative 6. So what is half of 2? That's 1. Subtract your 1 and b would equal negative 7. So that's if they're perpendicular. Remember, you flip it and change its sign. Okay, so then number 13, again, it's already in slope-intercept form. So right now our slope is negative 3, and this one says parallel, so that means our slope is going to stay the same. So using y equals mx plus b again, our y value is 5, our m value is negative 3, our x value is 1, and we're looking for b. and B should equal 8. Okay, so that should take you through the end of those new notes.